So guys, let's start with the step deviation method, which is the last method of 6.1. So here is your question. You have to find the mean of investment of using step deviation method. So amount, which is here, and number of families. Okay, so this column you have to make in a step deviation method. First is class. The same thing you have to write in this column, and the class mark. Again, the class mark is the same as we done in step deviation method and assume mean method. Let's check the formula of step deviation method. So this is the formula of step deviation method. So first we have to find u bar, that is summation of fi ui upon summation of fi. Once you will get this u bar, then you have to find x bar, that is a plus u bar into g. Let's do the sum. So let's find out the class mark. 800 plus 1200 divided by 2 is 1000, as we have done in last two methods. 1200 plus 1600 divided by 2 will be 1400. 1600 plus 1200 is 1600 plus 1200 divided by 2, 1800. 2000 plus 2400 divided by 2 is 2200. 2400 plus 2800 divided by 2 is 2600. Then last is 2800 plus 3200 will be divided by 2 will be 3000. Okay, we have done with the class mark. And now for d bar we have to first assume a. How we are going to assume a? In class mark, whichever number you want, you can assume a. I assume a is 2200. So let's write here a is my 2200. What I have to do to find out di is, I have to subtract this xi from a. How I will do? Let's see here. Di xi minus a. So my xi is 1000 and I assumed is 2200. So 1000 minus 2200 is minus 1200. So same thing you have to do with all di to find out the number. Minus 1200. So 1400 minus 1400 minus 2200 will be minus 800. So 1800 minus 2200 will be minus 400. So 2200 minus 2200 will be a big zero. 2600 minus 2200 will be 400, and 3000 minus 2200 will be 800. So here you have to keep care of this signs. Okay, so most of the students get stuck in this step and the whole sum goes wrong. So how we will find out ui? For ui you have to divide di, that is this, with g. What is g? G is nothing but the differences of class mark. 800 to 1200. What is the difference here? So for this you have to check 1200 minus 800 will be 400, and here 1000, any number you have to take it and you have to minus and you will get the difference. So 1600 minus 200, you will get the difference, that is 400. So di is 1 minus 1200 divided by 400 is minus 3. You can do it. Minus 800 divided by 400 will be minus 2. Minus 400 divided by 400 will be minus 1. 0 divided by 400 will be 0. 400 divided by 400 will be 1, and 800 divided by 400 will be 2. So next is frequency. What is frequency? This number of families which is there in the question. So 3, 15, 20, 25, 30, and last is 7. So next is FIUI. What is FIUI? FI is this and UI is this. You have to multiply this both the numbers. So Fi is this. Don't do minus 3 into 3. Do it 3 into minus 3 according to this. Fi into UI. Fi into UI. Fi into UI. So Fi is 3 into UI is minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Sorry. 15 into minus 2 will be minus 30. Minus 20 into minus 1 will be minus 20. 25 into 0 is 0. 30 into 1 is 30. And 7 into 2 is 14. So you have to do all the total of these numbers. So as we have done in assume mean method and direct method, that all this minus and this plus, total of this. FIUI is 15 and you have to do all this total. This will be summation of Fi is 100. You can calculate this whole. So we have done with all the columns, and now we will going to see the formula. So as I said, first you have to check with UI, that is summation of FIUI. What is summation of FIUI we got? So I am doing it front of this formula only. So what is FIUI? FIUI we got is 15, right? It is minus 15. So we got FIUI minus 15. So minus 15 divided by summation of Fi is 100. So what we got is minus 0.15. So this is my UI. So I got minus 0.15, that is my UI. So let's move to Xi. What is Xi? Xi is A, which I assumed, that is 2200. Earlier we assumed no, this 2200. A is my 2200 plus U is my minus 0.15. Minus 0.15 we have to do into. If you will put bracket, then no need to put multiplication. So what is G? G is my 400, as I said, difference of class mark. So let's do this. X bar is equals to 200 plus, you have to firstly you have to solve this bracket. So minus 0.15 into 400 will be minus 60.00. Okay, and let's do this. Plus minus is minus. So X bar is equals to 2200 minus 60.00. If you want to put this 0.00, put it, otherwise no need. So 2200 minus 60 will be 2140. So finally you get your x bar is 2140. So the mean of step deviation method is 2140. So your final answer is 2140. Thanks for watching.